Okay, problem number 4, let's write it down. You get 25 minus 4x squared. And at bottom you get 2x cubed. This is a rational expression. It's a ratio of 2 polynomial. The first thing I would do, what some people do, is they put this in proper order, which is descending order or ascending order. But both of the polynomials on top and bottom should be in the same order. So I'm going to write this as minus 4x squared plus 25. On bottom it's 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 20x. The next thing I would do is I would make some attempt to factor the top and the bottom. Leading coefficients of negative numbers should probably be factored out. So I'm going to say minus 1, and you're left off with 4x squared minus 25. On bottom, I'd factor out an x. That's a greatest common factor. You get 2x squared minus 3x minus 20. I'm going to continue to factor it. What do you get? Minus 1. The top is a difference of perfect squares, so it's 2x minus 5, 2x plus 5. On bottom, you get x. I'm seeing 2x and x now. And I bet they share a factor in common, but let's not assume that until we go through it. What am I looking for, to get product of 20? I can say 4 and 5. And let's see, minus plus. Let's see if that's true. You do get 2x squared. Minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3. Yeah, it works out beautifully. Let's break the domain down now. The domain is all real numbers, but x can't be 0, because you'd have division by 0. X can't be 4, you'd have a division by 0. And x cannot be equal to, well, 2x plus 5 becomes 0 at minus 5 halves. All right, let's do the reduction. What do you get? Well, notice that 2x plus 5 cancels off. So we left off with minus 1, 2x minus 5. On bottom, we left off with x minus 4. This is a fine answer. Put a box on it. I do want to simplify a tiny little bit and distribute the minus 1 across those two terms. What do you get? 5 minus 2x. On bottom, you get x minus 4. All right, not to be a trickster here, but you could also associate the minus 1 with the bottom. Let me write that down for you. You could also write down 2x minus 5 on top, and on bottom you get x minus 4 times minus 1. All right? I want to do this over here. I'll write this down for you. What are you going to get? 2x minus 5. You get an x. And if I do minus 1 times x minus 4, I would get 4 minus x. So it's another possible answer. Another thing that students do often, and there's nothing wrong with it, is they multiply the bottom out. I don't suggest it, by the way, but it doesn't make it any less valuable. So 2x minus 5, and then you have 4x minus x squared. Also a legitimate answer, by the way. And certainly someone says, what's your preferred answer? This is my preferred answer over here, the simplest one I could write down. Thank you.